Hello friends, this is Pradeep Singh. I have secured All India rank 93 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2018 and this was my first attempt. My age is 22 and today we will have a session on how to crack CAC in first attempt. Basically this will not be a one-way communication. I'll have your questions and I'll address your concerns. But before that, I'll introduce to you the basic pattern of the UPSC examination. I think many of you are already aware, but I am very sure that many of you are not. So let me introduce the pattern of examination. My writing is not good, so be agree. Tell me honestly, आप में से कितने लोगों को ये पैटर्न पहले से पता है कि कितने मार्क्स का कौन सा पेपर होता है? Everyone is aware. So that's good. So in prelims we have two papers, General Studies 1 and General Studies 2. GS2 is also known as Civil Services Aptitude Test or CSET and मैं बहुत श्योर हूँ कि बहुत से लोग CSET की भी कोचिंग करते हैं. तो how many of you have joined the coaching for CSET? शायद बाकी लोग हाथ नहीं उठाए. GS1 में there are 7 subjects. We have history, polity, economy, environment, geography, science and tech, and the trickiest current affairs. And the paper is of 200 marks, and out of that, the cutoff is prepared for those students who qualify for writing the mains. And CSET is of 200 marks, and you just have to score 33% marks, that is 66.66 marks, to qualify for writing the mains after clearing the cutoff of GS1. And my simple advice for GS2 or CSET would be that just solve the 5 or 6 year papers of previous years of CSET and you will have a basic idea, a rough idea that what is the actual demand of CSET paper and you can easily solve the paper thereby. So this is about prelims. After that, I'll also have your questions and then I'll address your concerns that how can you crack the CSE in first attempt according to your interest and with coaching. In mains, we have actually 9 papers. For general studies, we have 4 papers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. In GS1, we have history, then we have society portion and geography. In history, the history is different from GS1 history because here we also have world history. And normally 1 to 2 questions are asked every year from world history portion. And in GS2, we have polity, governance, social justice, and international relations. GS3 has many topics like economy, then intellectual property rights, cyber security, internal security, armed forces, and cyber security, disaster management, and a number of topics. In GS4, we have ethics, integrity, and aptitude, in which there are 2 sections. The first one is static portion, and the second one is case study. We have optional, in which we have 2 papers, the 1 and 2, and there are I think more than 30 or 40 subjects, out of which you have to choose one subject as your optional. I'll also tell you that how to choose the right optional. Many of you would have chosen the optional, but then also I would give you some criteria to choose the optionals. Then we have essay paper, in which we have 2 topics to write on, the topic 1 and topic 2, and each topic is of 125 marks, and the essay is of 250 marks. In language paper, we have 2 papers. The first one is English, that is compulsory for all the students. The second one is of regional language, that can be Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, as of your own choice. And it is not compulsory for some students, like for students belonging to northeastern areas and some other areas. And then we have personality test, which is of 275 marks. A lot of students are worried that they cannot crack the personality test, or how can they present their personality, but I would mention here that it is just of 275 marks. The mains is of 1750 marks. This 250 plus 500 plus 1000, so it makes a total of around 1750 marks. So you can score better marks in mains, and then you cannot be worried about the personality test. Here you can get at least, if you are below average, then also you will get around 120 or 130. So you need not to be worried about that. So this is all about the civil services examination pattern. And now I will now I'll request you to ask some basic questions, some basic queries. I'll write the queries here, and after writing some 10 to 20 queries, I'll answer all the queries. So ask the basic stuff in whichever area you have doubt or you have some problems. I'll
I'll
cover
cover
that.
that.